I thought we had some we had some shit. They came prepared. Yeah, I don't think them fairy rain are, oh they are. The magical ones, the little ones. I'll just say I didn't think they would without that tube swallowing it. But here we are. I mean that's all they do, but they're cute.
Nice little toy.
Hey, we ain't the only good. We ain't the only ones. I'm in the bucket. Hopping around, I'm at the bucket. Let me double check the angle of this camera, and then I think I'm gonna. Yeah, between this, I don't like them other punk sticks. Ooh. See, that's still not bad, even though they go up pretty good, so. Poor dogs though, having to listen to fireworks for 2 nights in a row.
Whistling bungholes.
You heard, that was them lighting them down there too, right?
Not them, but
Over that way.
That was that way. Completely different people from last night.
That whoever was way over there.
Yeah, that was last night. Those
way over there toward the east.
Yeah.
These people we have more north.
Completely different people.
We still got 6 noisy boys.
Whistling butt.
We still got 2 packs of these crackling strobes. Like I said, I know one of them damn dogs is a damn beagle over there because they never shut the hell up. I mean, I'm surprised people even go hunting with them damn dogs as noisy as they are. Let's see. Let's I probably should work my way up the hill or backwards because every time I try to roll them uphill, they roll back out the damn thing. So I should start my way from back here.
Half time.
That's pretty much about it. Got about an hour. Still lighting the big ones, good ones up.
I still never run a damn drink out here, so.
Go ahead and get a drink. I got this running, but I'm just gonna leave the camera running. Hey. I might have to move some of it. Stop and make sure I got the room. Change saves it to the HD or the device for the car. Oh yeah.
Damn near breaking their neck.
Like what you see, huh? Huh?
Oh God.
Well, that's the only thing. They don't see anybody here really most of the time. So
That could be that a lot too.
to see somebody here. I think after 4 years, they know somebody's living here. They never see anybody.
Hee. Oh fuck. Uh-huh.
Definitely tried like that. Burnt the side of it though.
Huh?
So burnt the side of it.
Oh, I'm saying. That neighbor haters is probably toast.
Yeah, a lot of these got scorch marks on them, that's for sure.
Yeah, make sure you get that bat from last night. Huh? Right there. Here's one that you gotta get right there.
Oh.
There's one that landed from last night.
These explode. I was getting ready to say them survive. I'm surprised a lot of that survive, but they don't explode.
Yeah, no, they don't. They just
Tiger
throw up.
tails do.
Yeah, the tiger tails explode, but they land. Them land too. See, there's one right there that we just let off. The ass end blows out of them. I mean, shit, the ass end blows out of me too, but especially on chili night or Taco Tuesday.
Yeah, we were both in
Yeah, shit.
Oh, wait a minute. What are we supposed to say? Jinx, you owe me a Coke?
Fuck that.
We're not showing our older millennial, plausibly deniable Gen X, although not side, whatever the hell you want to call it, Xennial.
Need to hurry up and get dark.
It's kind of funny because, quite honestly, like, I know my mom was in the boomer generation. Your mom was damn close to the tail end of the boomer generation, so.
Ooh, what's he on?
More motorcycle.
My kind of motorcycle.
I have a sickness, and the only cure is more motorcycle. Much out of those 100 ones.
Oh,
I'm hoping that one's.
well,
I don't know if there's any way you can really tell.
if you look, some of these are a lot deeper than
I
others.
think that's just
I don't know if that means anything, but
if you tap them down.
no, some of them are deeper than others. That's not tapping or nothing. They're deeper. So I don't know if that means anything, but we'll see.
So we got another small handful of
Boobies.
small handful of boobies. All right.
Boobies.
Tittises.
Tittises.
I guess let's get the rest of these little ones going.
Set them up. I like them.
And then, I guess after we do these, I'm going to turn off the recording for a bit. Make sure the camera, the storage is good. So I don't want to run out on all this big crap too.
Ah, we use
Still got
one.
two dogs and 3 cocks.
In my face, in my face. Yeah, it's a good thing, good place for you to do, just fall over it. You want to light them?
Well,
There's still a shit ton right there. You want me to just keep going?
alright, give me a second.
Huh?
And
I wasn't trying to light the punk stick yet, because
yeah.
ain't no need in wasting a damn stick. But yeah, there's still a shit ton of the blackens right there too. The doggies, the chickens. All 3 of the chickens are still good. The 2 dogs are still good. That cuckoo, that bee, that whistling whatever the fuck it is beside it, and a couple of them fucking whistling peats right there is still good. Somebody was stepping in.
Just leave them where. Whoops, oh shit.
Uh-huh. Somebody's gonna be fucking two-stepping it. Trying to get away from one and yeah, about shit themselves. Oh, fuck. Poopy doggy. Chicken booty. Stinky ass chicken booty. Skeet. I guess the other chicken didn't have to shit. There it goes.
Oh.
He was a late shitter.
Did you see that? Also rear-ended that dog too.
Uh-huh. He wanted some dog ass. He wanted some of that dog ass.
There goes double dukers.
Yep.
Dueling dukers.
He got a red ass like that. They might need to get that checked.
Oh.
Oh, Sparky's over there fucking double duking. Sparky's over there with a flaming asshole. I think there's a bee and the cuckoo and the fucking yeah. Oh, you sons of bitches!
Cuckoo was still going. Oh shit.
Oh, time to play fireman. It's out of control. I'm gonna piss on it. Oh God. Fuck it, I quit. Alright, I don't quit anymore.
That bitch hit the road.
Them bitches got oomph to them.
Oh yeah, for something you don't have to light the fuse on? Shit.
Pop, 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 pop.
There's a couple that did not go off.
Well, the last time they did it the other night, the people were running over them.
What the heck?
People are probably thinking their tires were blowing.
Alright. Well, I think I'll let these. Oh, wait a minute. One more chicken dick.
Got one more stinky pinky.
Yeet.
One more chicken cock.
One more cockadoodle dump.
Hi, how you doing? You can break your damn neck staring up here.
Uh-huh. Well, so we've still got about.
Not that hard. I got something you can play with.
Yeah, so this is about an hour. So it's kind of pre-game. I'm gonna start this back up in a couple of minutes, or about an hour, 45 minutes. When we start getting the launching. Oh yeah. All right.